we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this English music band. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names from music, but also fashion and beyond that many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So first we need to talk about the origin of the word to understand how it should be said. The band was named after a French magazine. That name translates roughly to fast fashion. So how do you say the name of this French magazine? Originally in French it is said as Depeche Mode. Depeche Mode. Mode meaning fashion. Depeche as in fast or hurry up fashion if you wish. Therefore, in English, it should be said as Depeche Mode. Depeche Mode. Pretty straightforward once you know, not Depeche, because in French, CH is the sh sound, as in SH, Depeche, and not Depeche or Depeche, but rather Depeche Mode. Depeche Mode. Pretty straightforward once you know. That's how most people say it in English as well. Depeche Mode, with an emphasis on the second syllable of Depeche. Depeche Mode. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names, including names from French that everybody gets wrong around the world, but you won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.